Pan American Tool presents the Nova Pneumatic Standard Kit. When precision and versatility are essential, you need tools that perform flawlessly. Built for professionals in the aviation, aerospace, marine, and automotive industries, Nova Pneumatic tools deliver exceptional power, performance, and durability. Pan American Tool provides a comprehensive tool line designed to meet your drilling requirements with precision and reliability. With Nova Pneumatic tools, you achieve effortless results in close-quarter drilling conditions, no matter the challenge. With the Nova Standard system, you can customize the ideal tool kit to fit your exact needs. Flexibility is key. With Nova Standard Kit, you choose from 3 different motor housings with varying torque options. Mix and match between 10 heads with threaded spindle or hex drives. The Nova system is fully expandable, giving you the ability to scale up as your needs grow. With a versatile selection of interchangeable heads, Nova drills are designed for seamless access to tight spaces. Featuring our #1 best-selling Nova 90-degree drill. Explore the widely popular Nova 90-degree flat offset drills, available in short, medium, and long lengths, perfect for tackling jobs where clearance is limited. For ultimate adaptability, our 360-degree drill takes versatility to the next level. Its angle head rotates a full 360 degrees, while the head itself swivels completely around the motor, ensuring unlimited accessibility from any angle. Pan American Tool's NAS 965 Type D drills attach effortlessly, making them the perfect complement to your toolkit. Designed with ergonomics in mind, Nova tools reduce operator stress and muscle fatigue, ensuring comfort during extended use. For added convenience, each kit comes in a heavy-duty carrying case to keep your tools organized and protected. Engineered for professionals. Get the job done right every time with Nova Pneumatic tools. Upgrade your toolbox today. Shop online at panamericantool.com.